Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to take a look at one of the most versatile lenses in the Micro Four Thirds system. It's a weather-sealed standard zoom lens with a constant f2.8 aperture. I'm of course talking about the Panasonic Lumix 12 to 35mm f2.8. Enjoy! The 12 to 35mm from Panasonic comes in several different versions. The one I'm holding right now is the version 2 model. There's also an older, often much cheaper metallic blue model with almost identical specs, as well as a newer, more expensive Leica branded version with a few tweaks and upgrades. Generally speaking, you can't go wrong with any of them. Personally, I suggest buying whichever you can find at the cheapest price, which in most cases is the metallic blue one. For such a fast lens, it's quite small and at around 300 grams, very lightweight. However, this doesn't negatively affect the build quality, as the lens is made from a combination of metal and durable plastic, and even features a weather-sealing gasket. There's a smooth, rubberized zoom ring, but only a plastic focus ring. This lens uses focus by wire. Micro Four Thirds sensors have a 2x crop factor, giving you an effective focal range of 24mm at the wide end to 70mm for details and portraiture. Fairly standard stuff. On the side there's an image stabilization switch, but no focus switch. The lens has a 58mm filter thread and comes with a fairly cheap and flimsy lens hood. This is a little unfortunate, but overall I'm still very happy with the lens's design and build quality. I tested it on my Lumix G80 or G85 in the US with its 16MP MFT sensor, and here are my results. The lens is very sharp in the center at f2.8 with only minor improvements in the corners at f4. In practice, you can keep this lens at its maximum aperture for most of your photos. It's highly usable, especially indoors, where the relatively fast aperture helps keep your ISO low. What also helps with the ISO is Panasonic's excellent image stabilization, which is especially useful when paired with dual IS enabled camera bodies, like my G80. This allows you to capture sharp handheld photos even at very slow shutter speeds. In this combination, you can also achieve pretty smooth video footage just by casually walking, as you can see in this clip. Single autofocus is snappy and reliable. Continuous autofocus, particularly when shooting video, is a bit sluggish. This might be due to my older camera body. I've seen examples of this lens performing much faster on newer, more capable cameras. The lens has a practical minimum focus distance of 25 cm, allowing you to get somewhat close to flowers or large insects. It's not a macro lens by any means, but it's a helpful feature nonetheless. Micro Four Thirds isn't exactly known for achieving very intense background separation, but when zoomed into 35mm and at f2.8, you get just enough to make your subject stand out. Fans of big, creamy bokeh balls will have to look elsewhere. And there you have it, the Panasonic Lumix 12 to 35mm f2.8 standard zoom lens. It's lightweight yet durable, fast yet compact, and above all else, decently sharp wide open. All in all, I can wholeheartedly recommend this lens, whether you shoot on Panasonic or Olympus, since all MFT cameras share the same mount. On the used market you can find the version 1 for under 500 euros, which I think is a great deal. But that's it on my part. If you have any questions or simply want to share your opinion, please leave a comment below. Thank you all very much for watching and of course, have a wonderful day.